In this video, you'll learn how to install Cloudflared on a Windows computer. By following these steps, you will successfully download and set up the Cloudflare client on your system. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. You can do this by typing www.google.com into the address bar and pressing the Enter key. Once the Google homepage loads, you will see the search bar prominently displayed at the center of the page. Next, click on the search bar and type in Cloudflare. After entering the search term, press the Enter key again. This action will display a list of search results related to Cloudflare, allowing you to find the official site easily. Once the search results appear, look for the link that reads Cloudflare and click on it. This will redirect you to the official Cloudflare website where you can find the necessary downloads for Cloudflare. After reaching the Cloudflare website, locate and click on the option that says Download Cloudflare 1. This link will take you to the download section for Cloudflare services. Once you are on the downloads page, find the link that states Download Cloudflare 1 Client Stable Releases and click it. This will present you with various options for downloading the client compatible with your operating system. Next, click on the option for Windows to specify your operating system. This selection will direct you to the section where the Windows installer is available for download. After selecting Windows, you will see a button labeled Download Latest Stable Release. Click on this button to initiate the download process for the Cloudflare installer. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where your downloaded files are stored. Typically, this is the Downloads folder on your computer. You can access this by opening Windows Explorer and selecting the Downloads directory from the sidebar. In the Downloads folder, locate the Cloudflare installer file. The file should have a name that includes Cloudflared. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. After you double-click the installer, a setup wizard will appear. Click on the Next button to proceed with the installation. This action will take you to the next step of the setup process. Following this, you will be prompted to click on the Install button. Doing so will begin the installation of the Cloudflare client on your Windows systems. Depending on your system's performance and current workload, this may take a moment. After the installation completes, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the process was successful. At this point, you can close the installer window. Cloudflare is now installed and ready to use on your Windows computer. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.